This video will teach you how to print mailing labels using data from Google Sheets. Installing the add-on. Open your project in Google Sheets. Click the Extensions tab. Hover your mouse over Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open a new window in the center of your screen. Search for the Create and Print Labels extension. Click Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the free Label Maker extension. Creating the labels, click the Extensions menu. Select Create and Print Labels and click Create Labels. This opens the Label Maker panel on the right side of your worksheet. Click Select a Template under Label Template to view your options. Click Use to choose your template. Add merge fields for the labels. The Add Merge Fields drop-down menu contains all of the column headers from your address sheet. You can also use the buttons below the fields to make text bold, justified, centered, and more. Click Create Labels. This creates a Google Doc file containing your address labels in the proper printing format. Click Open Document after creating your labels. Click the File menu and select Print. Set your printing preferences. Insert the label paper into your printer. Click Print to print your labels. This prints the labels to your label sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.